Sending emails to a group. This video demonstrates an easy way to send the same email to a group of students. Advise calls this a quick campaign. For example, I could send an email to my first-year advisees with less than 12 total credits using a message I type or copy and paste directly into the campaign or using a template. First, use the down arrow on the dashboard to select the group of students to receive the email. Next, look for an icon that looks like a spreadsheet to the right of the down arrow. Click on that spreadsheet icon. To select all students in this group, click the checkmark column heading next to ERP ID, which is what Advise calls the student ACC EID. You can also select the individual students to receive the email by clicking to the left of their ACC EID. Notice you can see the total number of students in the group in the lower left-hand column of the pop-up, and you also have the option of using the search record to search for a specific name or selecting a letter if you want to select students by last name. I'm going to select all the students that I searched for. Next, click on ... in the menu bar for more commands. Find Quick Campaign. Tip: if you don't see Quick Campaign as an option, be sure that you have check marks selecting some records. Once I select Quick Campaign, 3 menu choices will pop up. For selected records, for all records on the current page, or for all records on all pages. If you want to send the message to the entire group, choose all records on all pages. I'm going to choose selected records and send the message to just a few students. Once you make your selection, Create a Quick Campaign wizard will open. Click Next. Type the name of the campaign and then Next. Select the activity type, email. Use the default choices for the rest of this screen and click Next. Add a subject line and then type the message content into the box. If you prefer to copy message content from another location, such as Word, Gmail, or the Advising Toolbox, go to the message content you want to use, select the message, use Control-C to copy it, go back to your Advise window, Control-V to paste it. Then click Next and Create. Create actually sends the message, so be sure you are ready to send it. It automatically shows on the student record. To see it and make sure it's sent, you can look at Activities and see the email documented. If you want to use a template, you need to use the template exactly as it is without making any changes. If you make any changes, your changes will replace what is in the template for all future uses for everyone. To use a template exactly as it is, click on the box next to Use Template, then select the template icon. Scroll down to the template you want to use and click on it. I'm going to select ACC Advising, FTACC, Outreach to Success Strategies and hit Select. If you want to view the text of the template, click on the name of the template, the blue words, and the pop-up window that opens is actually a template editor. Please don't change the message, just view it to be sure that it is the correct template. Yellow rectangles such as person, first name indicate fields that will automatically populate. For example, person first name will fill in the student's first name. Once you have viewed the template to make sure it's the correct one, simply click on the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the template editor. Your template will be selected and will be used. Notice the template message does not show here in the rectangular email message box, but it is still selected. Click Next, then Create. Advise will send this message to everyone you selected, and a record of the email will show in each student's record. I may have to select Activities to show the emails that have been documented, and then I can verify that the email was sent.